What is DDR5? DDR5 is the fifth iteration of DDR, doubling the bandwidth and capacity of its predecessor. Just like with new generations of processors and graphics cards increasing core or thread count and clock speeds, new memory generations come along to raise the ceiling, allowing applications to do even more things at once and typically resulting in more efficient computing. Now, DDR4 and DDR5, the key differences. Number one is the memory bandwidth topic. One of the main differences between DDR4 and DDR5 RAM is speed. The JEDEC specs of DDR4 operations it operates at effective speeds of up to 3200 MHz, up from its initial 2133 MHz at launch, while DDR5 RAM can operate at effective speeds of up to 6400 MHz. And that is just the beginning. Memory manufacturers are already talking about pushing the bandwidth even further. So don't be surprised if you see DDR5 running at 8000 MHz or more. Second point of difference is voltage. On DDR4, power regulation and management are integrated into the motherboard for memory. On DDR5, each module has its own PMIC, which stands for Power Management Integrated Circuit. With this change, DDR5 memory ICs require less power, with VDD dropping from 1.2 volt for the DDR4 to 1.1 volt for the DDR5 variant, which translates to improved efficiency and power regulation, resulting in a higher ceiling when overclocking, among other things. The downside is that despite its lower voltage, DDR5 modules run warmer, that is hotter, than a DDR4. So good heat sink and cooling technology is key to high performance. That is the reason why you can see plenty of high performing heat sinks on the DDR5 RAM modules. The Corsair patented DHX cooling technology, for example, on Dominator Platinum RGB DDR5 separates this product from other RAM products. Now, what are the benefits of getting that particular thing on your RAM stick? Better voltage regulation, improved DRAM yields, reduced module power consumption compared to DDR only, increased efficiency versus voltage regulation on the motherboard. Now, talking about the capacity of DDR4 versus DDR5. Another difference between the two types of DDR RAM is capacity. DDR4's density cap per module is already being hit at 32 GB with a small selection of high-end kits, and DDR5 promises to raise this to a theoretical maximum of 128 GB per module, or 4 times the density of DDR4 currently. This allows for a single user to work with larger, more memory-intensive projects, and potentially allowing for more immersive gaming experience as game studios take advantage of the general increase in available memory for features and assets in their games. So the bottom line is, the biggest question is, so is DDR5 better than DDR4? With all the major improvements from DDR4 to DDR5, as I have mentioned in this video, it is fair to say yes, DDR5 is better across the board in terms of features and benefits. So this was all I had for you all in this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and also leave a like on this video. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel already for daily technological videos, then please consider subscribing the channel. Your one like and your one subscription is a huge motivation for us to make more and more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.